Hello, today we're gonna disassemble Asus. The model is GL552J. We're gonna disassemble it, change the thermal paste and then reassemble it again. So the first thing of course is remove the battery. I already removed it. So let's start removing the back cover. Like this. The model's got the normal hard drive plus MD slot for SSD. You can upgrade the laptop. So the next thing we gotta do is remove the hard drive. We don't need to remove the SSD because it's placed on the board, so we're gonna remove the whole board with the SSD drive. Like this. We can remove the optical drive also because the bolt which holds it was on the back cover. Now next thing of course is remove all the other screws. We're just gonna see how long are they because I haven't opened that kind of model lately. Those are the same. Those are a little bit longer. Basically on the back you have two types of screws. One of them are longer, the other ones are shorter. The longer screws are in here, the bolts when they hold the hinges, and the ones on the battery. All the other screws in here, they're smaller because the laptop is thinner on this side and it's thicker on this side. So that's the only thing you have to be careful about. We have one screw in here underneath the optical drive, which is quite different from the other one, so it won't be a problem for you. Now the next thing of course, turn the laptop around, open, and start separating the upper plastic from the bottom. You start from, just pick one of the sides and start lifting the plastic with something sharp. You can use a credit card, you can use an old chip if you have, or if you have a tool it's much easier, or if you have longer nails it's also helpful. Once separate, just lift it carefully. Like this. There is three cables underneath the keyboard. I'm gonna try to show you. See, the one here for the touchpad, the one for the keyboard, and the one for the backlit. So you have to be careful not lifting the upper plastic too much. Just try to unlock them one by one. Once they are disconnected, you can lift the whole upper plastic up and remove it. Let me find a place for it. Now the thing we gotta do to remove the fan, we'll try to remove it actually before the board. To see is it gonna work or not. No. Okay, then first disconnect the cable for the right USB. After that, disconnect the Wi-Fi because the screw is held on the plastic underneath. Like this. Disconnect the power cable. Be careful with it. After that, remove the LCD connector. Like this. Now let me see what's in here. Strange. Okay, disconnect the cable for the speakers. It's on the right side. Now let's see what is holding the board. We have to remove this here because it's holds the connector down for the battery. Sorry. After that, just start pulling the board and remove it gently. Let me find something to put the board on, like this. Now the next thing, of course, we got to do, remove the screws which are holding the cooler. Normally there is 4 on this side and 4 on this side, but as much as I saw, the ones on this side are broken. That's why they were a little bit handmade. When lifting the cooler, don't lift it up directly up. First slide it a little bit from left to right, just so the thermal paste can be more easily unstuck from the cooler, and then just start pulling it up like this. So basically that's the whole procedure. You can remove the duct tape here, and you can clean the fan, the cooler, the old thermal paste, and after that just reassemble on the reverse. Hope you like the video. You can subscribe to the channel, you can share the video. So that's it for me. Bye bye for now.